In the meantime, it was an emotional scene in court today as prosecutors revealed the teenage driver charged with causing this deadly head-on crash was high on marijuana and Xanax.
10 News reporter Allison Ash is in court. She joins us live with the messages the driver's family whispered to him in court. Allison?
Yeah, Barnett's brother actually called out, "I love you, Timmy," here in court today, while the woman sitting right next to him was openly sobbing in court. Now, as you're about to see, the seriousness of this case seems to really be sinking in for Timothy Barnett. 18-year-old Timothy Barnett had a cast on both an arm and a leg as he was wheeled into the courtroom, where he pleaded not guilty to gross vehicular manslaughter and DUI. Barnett fought back tears as the deputy district attorney talked about what led up to this head-on collision on the 56 freeway that left 22-year-old Nick Hart dead.
For at least 7 miles before this incident, there were at least no less than 3 911 callers to call about his erratic driving.
Those callers said Barnett's Range Rover drove up on sidewalks, crossed medians, and ran red lights before it wound up like this.
All 3 callers stated that they tried to avoid the defendant's vehicle as far as possible because they did not want to get hit.
But police couldn't get to him fast enough. This virtual view shows how his SUV plowed through the center median and right into oncoming traffic, hitting Hart's car. Although a source close to Barnett's family told 10 News he was high on some sort of inhalant, preliminary tests show Xanax and marijuana in his system.
We believe the defendant here is a risk to our community, and I'd ask the court to increase the bail to $200,000.
Barnett smiled when the judge denied that request, leaving bail at $100,000. Now, it's not known if Barnett's family will be able to come up with that amount of money. As she left the courtroom here today, his mother told me that this situation has been crushing for their entire family. If convicted, Barnett could get 10 years behind bars. We're live at the Hall of Justice downtown. Allison Ash, 10 News.